In this video, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube on your Android TV box. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Sling TV Box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your SlingTV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has a 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue. So if you want to log into Android TV, YouTube, this is what to do on your Android TV box. So since we want to go to YouTube, you can just simply go to YouTube over here, or you go over to apps and then you go to YouTube depending on your Android TV box. Here's how mine works. I'm using Sling TV, but the process is literally the same. Now once you go over to your YouTube, we want to add a Google account because YouTube works with Google account. So once you go over here, just let it load for a moment. Now once it's loaded or once it's done loading, you can just simply go over to view option here, and we want to sign in. So we just go ahead and sign in to our Google account. Just click sign in and click on account, add account, and then it's just going to lead you to where you sign in to your Google account. So I'm going to quickly sign in right now, and then we continue. So once you put in your password, all you have to do right now is just complete your logins, and then you log into your Google account. As you can see, once it's done logging in, you're just going to go over to YouTube and go ahead. So my account has logged into my YouTube right now, and I can go over to YouTube home and watch any video that I want because I've logged into my Google account. So this is how to log into YouTube. Very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.